Come test drive the 2022 Accord. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, lane departure warning, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, 8 speakers, low tire pressure warning. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.